Hello guys. Today I'm going to show how to connect different VPC together by using AWS Transit Gateway. Firstly, we create a VPC. My first VPC name, at first VPC, and CIDR block 16 0.00 slash 16. Create VPC and create another VPC second 16. The create two VPC in same region, VPC1 and VPC2. Then next step, we create a subnets, VPC1, a subnet name subnet VPC1, and base CIDR block is 16.0.124. Subnet created, and next subnet for VPC2, subnet VPC. Oops, I think not created availability zone in subnet 1. So delete my subnet 1, delete it, and create and again created subnet for VPC 1, subnet 1, availability zone 2, CADR block slash 24, create subnet, and again create subnet for VPC 2, subnet 2, the availability zone 2C, and the CIDR block uh, created two subnets for two VPC. And next step, to create route table, created route table route RT1 VPC1 VPC1, create route table, edits route, and 0.000 slash 0 for inbounds to all routing internet gateway. First they create internet gateway, then editing on route table. So create IG1 IG1 and attached to a first VPC, IG1 attached to a first VPC, and then create IG2, IG2 uh, as attached VPC second, attached VPC second. You can see IG1 and IG2 attached. Uh, okay. Sorry. Then mm, route 1 editing, route 1 edit, route 1 zero point 0 IG1 attached to route 1. Okay, and then create RT route table 2, RT2 for VPC second, for VPC second, and edits the route, edits the route, and internet gateway, edits the route IG2, and save all changes, and save all changes. Okay, then we created a transit gateway. Okay, sorry. uh, so firstly you know the transit gateway using for the connecting to VPC, the automatic encrypted new travelers through the public internet connect to your on premises data center VPN. Mainly the transit gateway is easy to manage within the same region across region and the account, and act as a cloud router to simplify your network architecture through the central hub. You can also connect to your on premises data center via VPN, and data is automatic encrypted and never travel through the public internet. You have to define route table within the transit gateway. Create a transit gateway. Firstly, create a transit gateway name TG1. Description is optional, so is no. So create a transit gateway, and creates TG2 for second VPC. Uh, some time to doing this process, creating TG1 and TG2. So AWS Transit Gateway connect to your VPC through an on-premises network through a central hub. This connection simplifies your network and puts an end to complex peering relationships. Transit Gateway act as a highly scalable cloud router. Each new connection is made only once. So is basically is using to connecting to VPC on premises on via VPN. So TG1 transit gateway is connected now to attach with a VPC to our VPC. So create attachment TGA1, TG1, and VPC, and attachment type is VPC. VPC1, VPC 1 ID. Transit gateway is created. Transit gateway attachment created, and created second PG2, and attachment type is also VPC2 via VPC, and VPC ID is second. Okay, is created. So next, we create a EC2 for the testing purpose. So create a EC2 instance. EC2 instance. EC2 instance 1 Ubuntu. Now we check the TG is created or not. So I think my network issue. So create a key, connect to KPL and edit a route network setting for network for VPC1 and public IP is enable. You can see TGA1 is available and TG2 is also available. So, and my instance 1 is created. So it's created instance 2. If we are connected, VPC2 and auto assign public IP is disabled for the testing purpose. Launch the instance and the edit our route tables. Submit 1, edit our route tables. Submit 1. The VPC1 16.0.0.0/16, so the destination is 17.0, and this is transit gateway just because it's connected to vice versa, because the source is this and the destination is this CIDR block for this purpose. And again the same process for the subnet 2. Edit the route table. The source point is 17.0.0.0/16, so the destination point is 16.0.0.0/16, and the transit gateway second. Save changes. So My EC2 instance second is also created. Instance 1, instance 2. So once one thing, the going to a security group is instance 1. So the inbound 23 and the CIDR block is the CIDR block is 16. So the vice versa is chain 0 point this 17/16, and the same process instance second going to the security group. And the source point is 17, so the destination is 16.0.0.0/16. The all changes are created. So going to our instance and copy the private IP connected instance 2, instance 1. The connection is established. Telnet copies the IP instance 2. Remote key, and you can see the connection established. So two VPC are connected just using transit gateway. So thank you for seeing the video. Hope you like video. Like